Hello, welcome to ZenView Studios Lab. Eric speaking here. Today's video is a little bit different than usual. It's not about the repair, it's about the channel, about what the channel is about and what do I do for repairs, what kind of repairs I do. The main thing is I do electronic repairs, but I try to do repairs on older gears and prolongate their life. That's the main goal, so to say. And obviously it's to fight a little bit, programmed obsolescence. So I will try to switch between and show you different videos between audio videos about audio gears, audio amplifiers, mics, and so on and so forth, and different kind, like I did for the sewing machine. The next video up is about repairing a battery block for a power drill. So I hope you enjoyed that approach. The idea is to try to find always something a little bit different that you won't find on other internet videos before I do a repair, and before, for instance, I did the repair on the power block. I looked at other videos, I saw what they were recommending and all the tips and tricks, but I found some others and another approach, and that's what I will try to give you. Same thing with there's going to be a video about a MacBook which I improved, meaning I changed. It's a MacBook Pro 2010, 2011, and prolonged its life by installing Monterey on it, and the difficulties you have about that. So I'll put that in the channel too. So in general, the idea is to give longer life to your existing equipment and try to utilize them as best as you can. Voila, that's the idea. I hope you enjoy that, and please don't forget to subscribe and put a like if you do, and see you soon on the channel. Thank you.